You flip that around. You're not gonna puss out?
I'm not gonna push that.
All right, come on, jump in, biatch.
Where we going?
To the busiest place I can find.
That's why you don't bet children.
Sweet.
Sign brakes. It breaks.
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's pretty good.
All right.
Oh. That's pretty good.
Yeah, let's go through here.
I like the back. The back's pretty funny. This is the walk of shame.
It is. It is.
Get over there on Cooper?
Yeah.
Oh, man. You win some, you lose some, right?
Yeah.
Starting.
I wish I was blind. Okay, where am I standing?
Over in the median.
In the middle?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, it's 150. You got me to 220.
Here's Freeway Bridge. Exit. And Cooper. The busiest street in Arlington. Two honks. Three. Hello? Cooper and 20, right when you exit 20. Yeah, we'll be here until you get by. I'm probably not gonna make them stay out here much longer.
that robot good enough?
That robot was great, very unexpected, very entertaining. Was it as bad as you thought it would be?
Except for the last guy who called me a douchebag. I invited him to come over and say it to my face, but he still...
That was Phil Hellmuth.
It was still... I lost 5 aces, man!